I am Dr. C.L. Venkat Rao. Gastritis. It is, there is a smooth lining inside the stomach. Whenever the smooth lining is insulted by virtue of taking some food substances or drugs, there will be small spots, erosions. They are called gastritis. If gastritis is there for long period, it may form a gastric ulcer. So gastritis will present in the form of pain in the stomach, burning pain, nausea, sometimes vomiting, and severe acidity, belching. These are the symptoms of gastritis. There are 10 causes for gastritis. Number 1, excessive consumption of coffee and tea. Especially if you consume strong coffee, strong tea and take every hour. If you are taking 10 to 15 times a day coffee or tea, you are bound to get gastritis. Number 2, smoking. Any type of tobacco product. It could be bidi, cigarette, chutta, cigar, or any of these tobacco products, snuff, gutka, all these things, they are responsible for gastritis. Number 3, consumption of alcohol. Alcohol also produces erosions. They damage the smooth lining of the stomach. That lining is called mucous membrane, and then you get the gastritis. Number 4, painkiller tablets. For headache, backache, knee joint pain, for everything, for pain relief, we got a habit of taking painkiller tablets. These painkiller tablets damage the stomach mucous membrane and produce gastritis. Number 5, steroids. It is inevitable sometimes to take steroids. For example, lung diseases, skin diseases, kidney diseases. Sometimes for management of COVID, steroids need to be taken. They are life-saving. So, steroids also can produce damage to the stomach lining and produce gastritis. Number 6, for gout. Gout means in blood the uric acid level will go up and there will be swelling of great toe joint. Swelling, pain and redness of great toe joint indicates that is gout. For gout, if gout nil tablets are taken, there is a possibility these gout nil tablets irritate the stomach and produce gastritis. Instead of gout nil, the drug Febuget, Febuget 40 mg is safer than gout nil. Number 7, consumption of iron tablets. The iron irritates the stomach mucous membrane and produce gastritis. Number 8, in times of stress. Suppose somebody is admitted with a critical illness in intensive care unit, they can get gastritis. Or somebody is in depression, tension, anxiety, or mental illness, they also, because of the anxiety, they may get erosions in the stomach. Number 9, if you are sleepless, lack of sleep also can lead to gastritis. Number 10, there is a bacteria called H. pylori. The growth of this bacteria in the stomach produces gastritis. To detect gastritis, a small tube is introduced through the mouth to know the status of gastritis. This is called gastroscopy, and we can find erosions in the stomach. This gastritis The predisposing cause has to be attended to, and also give some rabeprazole, pantoprazole, and syrups like sucral. They will give good relief for the gastritis. And without giving up the habits of smoking and alcohol, we can't expect the gastritis to be cured or relieved. The bad habits have to be totally given up.